Today is an amazing day in Florida and I'm gonna put some makeup and I have a lot of work to do. We just went to Creator Collective from YouTube on the last week. It was in Atlanta. I basically have a lot of things to do today because I have a lot of work and I just graduated. So I have a lot of responsibilities. And I thought to go to the beach, but I feel like it would be too much. And today's Friday. If I don't finish what I'm supposed to do, that would be a disaster, honestly. So I'm gonna put makeup and start my day. Have to record some video reviews of some brands, and after that I will just work on my things. And we went to Atlanta with my boyfriend and it was just amazing. So I'm gonna put some makeup and just start my day. It is so hot right now in Florida. It is, I know only Celsius, but it is very hot. Last days I wasn't even leaving my house. I was just staying at my house and just basically it was so hot. Yesterday I went to the gym and it's just crazy. I opened my bank statement yesterday and I got like 20 charges from one subscription, which I don't even have. So I had to open the claim and they reversed it. But I was just shocked how these people try to scam me. And I have like iPhone and I usually just go my subscription and I see only like YouTube subscription, that's it. I don't use anything else. And I open my subscriptions, there is nothing here, but then I open my Chase bank statement and I see that each month they charge me the same amount for like 10 months, and I didn't know that. I had no time to check it and I'm like, why is my account is overdrawn? I just came from vacation and I was like, I don't have any money on my Chase bank. Just was crazy. Got like minus. I didn't expect it. I was like, okay, I have enough time before my salary or something. Just waiting when my hair gonna be a little bit dry.